If your Chime account is restricted, you can do these immediate steps. Check your email. Look for emails from Chime regarding account holds or closures. They contain crucial next steps. You can also contact the support. Call this number or use the in-app function. Just head to profile, click the help center, and click the chat to speak with someone. You can also log in to see if you notice any unauthorized transactions or deposits could be the cause. The common reasons for restrictions are this. Suspicious transactions or large deposits withdrawals can trigger a temporary hold for security, and Chime may close your accounts for policy violations, which often comes with an email explanation. If your personal info couldn't be verified during application, that's one of the verification issue. That's what you can do if your Chime account has been restricted, and thank you for listening.